Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial on how to send long videos from your iPhone without losing quality or getting frustrated by size limits. Whether you're sharing precious moments with family or important files for work, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up, it's crucial to know that iPhones have a file size limit for sending videos directly through messaging apps. Usually this can be a roadblock, but don't worry, there are several workarounds. One of the simplest methods is using iCloud. Just head to your Photos app, select the video, tap the share icon and choose Copy iCloud link. You can then send this link to anyone, and they'll be able to view or download the video without any hassle. If you prefer sending the file directly, compressing the video is the way to go. There are several apps available on the App Store that can help you reduce the video file size. A quick tutorial on how to use one of these apps will ensure your video is ready to be sent without losing much quality. Another effective method is using third-party services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload your video to these platforms and share the download link with your recipient. It's a bit of a roundabout method, but works like a charm for very large files. For iOS users sending to other iOS or Mac devices, AirDrop is your best friend. Just enable AirDrop from the control center. Select your video, tap the share icon, and choose the recipient's device. It's fast, efficient, and maintains the original video quality. And there you have it. Several easy methods to send long videos from your iPhone without running into those annoying size limits. Experiment with these solutions and pick the one that best fits your needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and share this video with friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to follow us on social media for real-time updates and exclusive content. See you in the next video.